Welcome back. Another exciting episode of Deuce McCamper's Diecast Racing and Sometimes Fish. Today we've got a package from One Stop Diecast, and it is a pearl and chrome set, I believe is what they're called. So let's get in here and see what we got. There we go. Peanuts. Nicely packed. Box in a box. So yeah, full case here. Let's see what we've got inside. Nice. Very nice. Alright, well, right off the bat, I can see we've got one chase car, the Gazella. That's the chase for the series. And it looks like 5 each of the other ones, so I'll pull one of each out and take a closer look. Alright, we've got the fast bed hauler. Very nice. We have the Gas Monkey Corvette. We have the 32 Ford. Cool. We have the Volkswagen T2 pickup truck. Pretty cool. They're all actually pretty cool. And then, oh yeah, and then we've got the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Okay, so that means there should be a muscle speeder. There we go. And that rounds out the set. So, in this box, we've got one chase and a bunch of other ones. Overall, I really do like this this set, though. I love the color scheme and cool cars. So there you have it. Unboxing a pearl case. There's the rest of them, but they're just repeats of the others. And yeah, that's it. We'll get a set down the track here sometime soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.